Hi guys, my name is Newton Inelis and I study at Montmorency College. My program is advising in insurance and finance services. This is my second year in the program. My program involves like two fields, insurances and finances. We have the choice to choose any way we're looking forward. Me personally, I'm looking forward to go on the road of finances and I also want to handle a business. But my ideas are not clear yet. In the world we're living today, there's a lot of fraud, to be honest. However, there are several ways to protect yourself in prevention. Like example, this website. Wells Fargo's website is a really good site that give advices and also help you if you have a fraud to report, by example. This is the main page of the website. Um, what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to the search bar in the top right corner of the screen and write fraud security. You're gonna see fraud security center, and with the scroll button, we're gonna go to the down. We're gonna go down and then press the first link, this one. Okay. So first, this is the URL bar. You can use it and share it with your friends, family, or social medias. Um, I'm gonna go for a quick description of the page. This one is the back arrow button, and as you can see, the next arrow button can be used. Just at the right of the back arrow, there is the refresh button right here. Okay. Um, this is the URL. I already said it. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the logo. This one, Wells Fargo. So we're gonna go down and take a look at the bottom of the screen. We can see the footer menu here. Okay. We're gonna go up, back. Now we're gonna take a quick look of the website and explore it. Okay, first tab, they let you know how they can help you. So, example here with the title "Keeping Your Money Safe" starts here. You can press here and see how they can protect you. There's a lot of ways, and there's a lot of sections like how we identify you, how we protect your data, how we protect against account fraud. You can press in each one you want if you want and take a look. I'm gonna go just like you can see there's a lot of help here. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. There's a lot of resources here, and you can contact them if you have if you want to report a fraud, report phishing and email scams, report identity theft. Yeah, that's a good thing to know. So now we're gonna go back. Gonna go back. Okay. And like you can explore the security options here. You can spot common scams, like example, uh, like you guys can. I'm pretty sure you receive some weird texts like or you just receive your money from like I don't know from your phone number or like your company anything, but a lot of like 99% of the time it's a scam, and Like you can spot common scams here. You can report a fraud, uh, and we're gonna take a look at this. Explore security options. Like you can choose the way you wanna have access to your account. Like a fingerprint, it's really popular these days. You can have with the voice and with the face, depending of the phone actually. That's pretty sure. That's so there's like a lot of security tools. There's a lot. There's a lot. You can take a look. Two factors authentication, biometrics. Like I said, Apple ID, fingerprint, voice verification, and yeah. We can go back. I'm gonna take a look at another thing. Okay, so we're gonna spot common scams in the middle of the screen right here. Recognize commons. So basically, yeah, like okay, the real estate scam. It's really common. Bank imposter. Yeah, like the deposits money. A lot of scams comes from the deposit money. Like your bank sent someone sent you this amount from this bank. Yeah, that's a really common thing. That's the thing that's trending now. And I figured out that the trending now is like every like 2 weeks they change it. Like there's new trending scams. So the website keep everything updated. That's a good thing to know. So we can go down, scroll down, and like that's the title scams 101. You can take a look. Like I said, wire transfer, money transfer. That's really popular. That's the easiest way to scam. Debit card or credit card. So yeah, the common scams. Lottery or sweepstakes, online dating, card cracking, ransomware, friend, family member. Yeah, that's like a lot of scammers. Like they get a name of someone and then they reach out to you with the like acting like they're the person, and it's easy to get fooled. And there's cyber trades also. Yeah, you can take a look. So we're gonna scroll up, back, go with the back arrow again, and I'm gonna look at the last section, like how to report a fraud. If you're a victim or you know someone, you can you can call them, and it's free. Like outside the country, like we're from Canada, you can call them, and they'll answer right away and take care of you. If you aware of a suspicious activity, you can call them like I said, and they'll take care of you. To be honest, I really like this website. Yeah, this website is a really good site to help you prevent from fraud. They helping you like to know what is the trending scams, to be aware of everything or most of everything, and yeah, so this is it, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation of the Wells Fargo website.